Hi there. It's a rainy day in Indianapolis and my kids' soccer games were canceled today, so I got a chance to come down in the craft room and start playing with some of the products that are coming out September 5th in our new annual holiday catalog. So I'm excited about that. On page 21, we have a Memories and More card pack, which is great for pocket scrapbooking for quick, easy layouts with journaling boxes and whatnot. But instead, we're going to be using these to make cards. We also have, on page 21, a pack of note cards and envelopes, 2 different sizes, 10 of each. And so on Saturday, November 24th from 2 to 4, I'm having a class where you'll have to pre-order for this. The cost of the class is $35. Can you hear the thunder out there? The class is $35, but you prepay. I'll order everything so that when you come, we'll make all of our cards together. So I just wanted to show you the cards that I made. This is the bigger size. Now this is a stamp set I pulled out from Broadway Bound, I believe. It says "You're never too old to," and then the journaling card said "Believe." I added a little embellishment there, and then a Santa sticker. And a lot of these pieces have glitter on it, which is fun. Then this one, did some fussy cutting on the Santa here. This is a sticker with 2 different size journal boxes behind. This I cut out, added a little embellishment there, a little bit of ribbon. Cute one there, little sticker up in the corner. This one was easy as could be, just add a little twine. This sticker down here. This one I didn't add anything. It was just cute the way that it was. I added a little Merry Christmas stamp up in the top corner. This stamp I added. This was just a sticker that was added. The official seal of the North Pole. Added this sticker here. Inside got a Ms. Claus sticker. That was cute. This one, I added a black piece of cardstock and this silver foil to make it look a little bit like a belt, but this is not a stamp. This is just a journal box that was cut up a little bit. So those are the bigger cards. And then the smaller cards, I've got a present that I didn't add anything to it. I thought it was cute, just the way it was. This would be great to just throw on a gift bag to make it, dress it up a little bit. Holly Jolly. This one I added some glitter down at the bottom, but we've got Santa, some snowflakes that are glitter. All of that comes in the kit. It didn't add a whole lot to any of these cards, just a little bit, but a sticker up here, a sticker down here. Are you naughty or nice? We've got some enamel snowflakes. One says "The Joy of Giving" with an enamel bow over here. This one's so cute. It's an elf thing. Some little enamel dots on the shoes, and then another journal box on the inside. This one says "Merry Christmas." Pop that up with some dimensionals, add some snowflakes. Tree time, my favorite season. So those are the 20 cards I made, and I just want to show you as well how much extra you'll have. So at the end of the class, you'll still have tons of baker's twine. You'll still have lots of enamel shapes left over. And I had this many cards that are still left. So as you can see, you can then, there are 2 of everything in there. So if you didn't use one on the card, then you've got another one that you could use for scrapbooking. Or you could make a second set of cards. You would just need to buy more envelopes and note cards. I didn't even use this one, and that one's so pretty. But it also came with like lots of stickers. So as you can see here, these are the stickers that I still have left over. Lots of candy canes, snowflakes. And then if you want to make a little advent calendar, there are some numbers for that. So I thought I'd just give you a sneak peek, and hopefully you're getting excited about the holidays coming up.